Online tutoring jobs are a fast growing sector of the education world, and it is not as hard to break into as you might think. Whether you are an experienced tutor hoping to grow your business or just starting out, there is a job out there that's a fit for your expertise. From test prep to language learning, these are just some of the best options for tutors looking for online work now. Hello friends and welcome back to my another video, and today I am here with best online tutoring jobs. So without taking your much time, let's start the video. So if we talk about the first one, then it is BrainFuse. Not only does BrainFuse offers jobs for tutors in an array of subjects, including ones geared toward advanced and college students, but it also expects the best from its tutor. K-12 education is featured on the site as well, but there is a large segment of its tutoring jobs that are targeted at college students and their specific, often deleted needs. The site's mission is to provide one-on tutoring customized to each student's needs, with understanding that every student has different abilities and standards. Another bonus, if you are a little camera shy or just don't have the most reliable internet connection, BrainFuse tutoring can be done all on a virtual whiteboard, meaning that you don't have to stress about a webcam and microphone setup. The company's requirements are pretty straightforward, but they do reflect the fact that they are a little more stringent and specific than other companies might be. Tutors are required to have at least a bachelor's degree in their chosen field, and those with prior teaching or tutoring experience are heavily preferred. Second platform is Schooly. Schooly isn't just for language tutoring. It offers a broad range of tutoring gigs in subjects from K-12 up through college. But if you are a language tutor, there are some great options. The variety of language selection is the key to Schooly's success, where the majority of tutoring jobs for English speaking tutors are geared toward teaching English to foreign students. Schooly also has options for tutors in other languages, namely Spanish, French, and Chinese. Schooly does tend to pay higher rates than some of the other major online tutoring platforms, maybe around $25 per hour. But the pay comes with some higher requirements. The company strongly prefers teachers with at least a bachelor degree in the field they are interested in tutoring, a teaching license, or a specialized or professional certification. There are also the option to become a verified tutor, which also includes a background check but provides extra benefits and resources. And our last one is tutor.com. If you are relatively new to the tutoring game but have some expertise to share, tutor.com may just be the option you are looking for. The company's tutoring job includes the usual suspects: science, math, writing, but they also have a frequently updated list of more specialist subjects that are in demand, which may include art, history, accounting, individual programming languages, and many more. Experienced teachers are welcome, of course, but the primary requirement for tutoring most subjects is a bachelor degree and a subject matter expertise test. Even current college students can get in one on the ground floor, though tutoring lower levels or more general subjects. Just because it is open to newer tutors, however, doesn't mean it is a site without a strong reputation behind it. The platform is a part of the Precedent Review family, a staple in the education world, so tutors can be assured that they are working for a reputable and well-reviewed company. New tutors looking to erase their way into the job may appreciate tutors.com's flexible hours. Tutors must commit to a minimum of 5 hours of availability per week. So guys, that's all for today. I hope that you enjoy watching this video. If you like my video, then don't forget to hit the like button. and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.